We have one virus, we have one community, which is the research science community. We have to do unification of the research community. Two examples are Elixir from Europe, which started 7 years ago, saying that we need to build a hub. We need to build a data sharing system.
It's not enough to involve only the health sector, because it's also other aspects as well, economical and others. So I think this should be some kind of UN or maybe UN-led or something like that could be lead the strategy. And I think this strategy should relate to a few aspects. Of course, research, as you mentioned, Mr. Ambassador, the research of new development, and also to estimate the efficacy of the different measures that have been taken in every country. So this is important, but I think it's more important to see that we also do some cooperation in the epidemiological level that will be, let's say, if for example, one country in each certain area will able to stop and to mitigate the spread of the disease and to mitigate the outbreak, then it could be that the neighboring country or country in different area will be able to let's say, to export new cases. So we, of course, in order to control this in the international.
Now we are in the process of producing the human protein. As Itai said, we already moved from avian vaccine to human vaccine. We are looking for a production facility, GMP for production facility, and we have started to talk with the regulation body in each country. We like to speak with them regarding the need to go to first in human. We are a research institute, non-profit research institute. We license this technology to company that we just established looking for money. Partner that we are looking is, as I said, we are looking for GMP manufacturer that can do fermentation, protein fermentation that has all the skill of testing this protein. We like to jump very, very fast. And the other one, as I said, it's connection to the regulatory body in your country that can give us a feedback regarding the first in human trial that we can do and where we can do it.
The conclusion is we have to use many different topics, and this is the summary. The summary is that by now there are 700 papers. Many of them are not reviewed yet. We have to do research, more research. We cannot do any shortcut. We have to change knowledge internationally, sharing data and cross-discipline, and we have to keep the highest scientific standard.
We want to thank you on behalf of ELNet for participating in this call. We know that these are very difficult times for all of us, for you and for your families and your countries and communities. And we deeply appreciate you being on this call. We had, by my count, 91 participants on this call today. It's a first, so please see yourselves as founding members of this network's community, online community. We had over 60 officials with us, 27 MPs, other senior officials, mayors, EU officials, and so on. You already heard the list, and we're very gratified about this. What we'd like to do is more of these with you, because the goal of ELNet, of course, is to build bridges between Europe and Israel. And you've heard about the need for collaboration today, both from the scientists and from the Israeli officials, and of course from your side in Europe. So we need to find better ways to collaborate and to help scientists and companies come together. And that's the goal that we have adopted for the coming months.